What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Build website quickly using Page Builder with Elementor Plugin. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Install plugin Elementor. Under WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and search for Elementor. Install the Elementor Page Builder plugin and activate it once installed. We have successfully installed our Elementor plugin. Start building pages with Elementor. Go to any of your page and click on the button Edit with Elementor at top. The Elementor Page Builder is displayed in the left panel along with your site. If you scroll, you can see it provides multiple elements and options to add to your page. To check, let's add a navigation menu. Drag and drop your widget where you want. Now give it a title and select your menu. You can select any of the already created menus. Now go to the Advanced tab and here you can change any of its properties like border, background, position, CSS properties, etc. Explore the options, hit and try to see how each property works. Now, when you are satisfied with your look, you can save it. Let's try adding a button, for example. Here also, it provides options to change the look and feel of the button as per our choice. It has options to change button according to success, warning, error messages, etc. Change it as per your choice and requirement and save it. Now there is one more tab, that is Global. It provides a feature where you can save a widget and add it at multiple places. But it is only available in the Pro version, that is, you will have to pay for it. So if you want that feature, you can purchase the Pro version. Now if you click on the hamburger or the menu button, you can see like global widget, you have options for global color, font, themes as well. And all those are also available in the Pro version, so you will have to purchase it. So I have covered the basics of Elementor plugin. That's it for this video. I hope you are now able to use the Elementor plugin to build your own pages quickly with ease. Let me know in the comment section whether you like this video or not. You can also suggest me some topic that you want me to create a video on. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much. Have a great day.